Hello everyone, today we will introduce the parallel installation solution for the N35500 cabinet and demonstrate its practical operation. For the N35500 series, 3 to 4 units installed in a 22U wide cabinet, 5 to 7 units installed in a 32U wide cabinet, 8 to 10 units installed in a 42U wide cabinet. The bottom 10U of the cabinet is reserved for electrical connections, including AC contactors and copper bus bars. The cabinet is equipped with an emergency stop button to control the AC input, allowing quick shutdown in case of a fault. Side panel. The side panels of the cabinet can be opened to facilitate installation and maintenance. Rear panel. The AC input and DC output ports are located on the rear panel. The N35500 uses a 3-phase 4-wire system. The AC input connects to the AC contactor, which is then linked to the AC inputs of each device. The DC outputs of the devices are paralleled via copper bus bars, and optical fiber communication is used for parallel operation. The optical fiber patch cord uses a crossover connection. We will demonstrate the parallel configuration using 5 units as an example. After completing the electrical and optical fiber connections, press the on button. First, set the first unit as the master, then configure the number of slaves as 4. Press reset after finishing settings. Assign ID to the slave units sequentially. For example, slave 1, slave 2, etc.